Hello, I'm CJ Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make curve text in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose design templates. I will use presentation. Next, we can go to left toolbar. We can find text tool, click it, and then add a text box. And then we can start to type. For example, I type curve text. And then I want to enlarge it. I press Alt and click and drag to enlarge it to make it obvious. Now I select the curve and put it here. Next, we can go to Effects and we can go to bottom. We can find curve. Click it to make it curve. And then we can adjust the value. I want to duplicate one more and then put it here. So if we enter the negative value, we can make it opposite side. I put it here. So this is how we can make curve text in opposite sides in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.